Hello, my friends. We're doing the one-day reading for the S&P 500 for the day of December 21st, 2021. That's a Tuesday coming up. And the date today is December 18th. It's 2021, and that's 6:07 p.m. All right, so the overall behavior and theme of the day, there's a significant price level or technical level that is highlighted. We have an unexpected failure that leads to the low, and we have from the high we have a decline, and we have a decline through multiple support levels. But when we have that decline off of the high, we don't revisit that price level, the highest price level again. To be clear. All right, so the post market, we have a big push to the upside, like a really big move higher. It's the sun card. We may even gap up in the morning. It's possible. But then right around the open, we have a breakdown through a diagonal trend line with volatility increasing on the way down. We have sideways fluidity, sideways movement with an equal bulls and bears, inflow, outflow, all that stuff. Somewhere in the first half hour as well, there'll be some sideways. So like up, sideways, down, and then sideways. There's going to be a okay. So in pre-market, we push higher, then we break down through that diagonal trend line right around the open, and that leads to a support level that we move sideways along with sideways fluidity, the change cards, just kind of like sideways. And that all takes place between like 9:30 and 11-ish. There is a low at around 10, somewhere 10 to 10:10, somewhere in there. And then there's a high and a low within the hour of roughly 11 and 12 o'clock. I'm advised to open some protection around 11:15-ish. And then there's a high around some news that takes place around 12 o'clock. Another low. So we have like a push. We have a high, and then we have a big drop to a notable low. I don't think it'll be quite as low. Hard to determine right now, but 12 to 1 o'clock, we have a push up, like a peak forms. We have a push up off of a low through a resistance level, and then we stay above that just briefly, and then we break that back down through that same price level we had broken out through. There's a bunch of sideways volatility between roughly 1 and 2 o'clock, a trade opportunity to cash in between roughly there's a trade opportunity to cash in on puts somewhere between 2 and the close. Most likely the low is going to be closer to the close. However, there's a prudence card in that last hour as well, so I'll probably cash in a little early there. And then we have a big push up higher at the right around the close and in the post market, and that's where this significant price level is really highlighted. Is going to be in the post market. There's an intentional fake out this day, and there's also opportunity to set oneself up for a correction or a sharp decline of some kind. So trade opportunities in the morning. All right, so there's some indecisiveness early in the morning. There's a trade opportunity there. From what I can tell, it's probably like at the low, I buy some calls, and then at the high around 12 or a little bit before then, I sell those and I purchase some puts. Matter of fact, I'll purchase the puts likely around 1 o'clock, and then there's a trade opportunity between 1 and 2 o'clock and 2 and 3 o'clock. There's a lot going on here, but the most notable things are going to be there's a fake out. There's a fake out, so an intentional fake out or shake out of some kind. Trigger is indicator, or an indicator is triggered falsely, intending, with the intention of humans making, impulsive decisions. And I see that happening roughly between 11 and 12. The sneak preview card for the following day, we have the Emperor card. So a male leader, likely the president, will be highlighted. Yeah. Okay. So holding on to those puts overnight is probably a good idea. It looks like we have a gap down the following day. So that's Tuesday, December 21st, 2021. I'm sure this is helping some of you. I'm glad to see people are using this stuff. I really appreciate the support. Comment, like, let me know what's up, guys. I love hearing from you. And best of luck to you. Blessings. I'll see you all later.